It's a new 2024 Cadillac XT4. Cross out your old expectations of crossovers. The XT4 is a moving statement of big utility and plentiful features in a compact package. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated steering wheel, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and heated and ventilated bucket seats. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.